15-hour day. Hannah is 16 years old. She goes to high school and lives in a small town. This story is about one of her normal days. If you enjoy this video and want to learn more English, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video. And now let's know more about Hannah's day. Hannah's alarm rings at 7 o'clock. She wakes up and gets out of bed. She goes to the bathroom, where she brushes her teeth. Then, she washes her face. After that, Hannah goes to the kitchen. Her mom is making breakfast. Today, they are having toast with jam and orange juice. Hannah smiles and says, "Good morning, Mom." Her mom says, "Good morning, Hannah. Are you ready for school?" Hannah eats quickly. She looks at the clock. It's almost 8 o'clock. "I need to go, or I'll be late," she says. She takes her school bag and runs out the door. Hannah arrives at school just in time for her first class, English. She likes learning new words. Today, the teacher is talking about animals. Hannah listens and takes notes. The teacher gives the class homework. Write about your favorite animal. Next, Hannah goes to math class. She thinks math is a little difficult, but she tries her best. The teacher explains the lesson, and Hannah works hard to understand. Math is not easy, she thinks, but I will keep trying. At lunch, Hannah meets her friends in the cafeteria. They talk about their classes and homework. "I have a lot of homework," Hannah says. Her friend Sarah says, "Me too. Let's do it together at the library." After school, Hannah and Sarah go to the library. It's quiet there, and they sit near a window. Hannah takes out her English homework. She writes about her favorite animal, the dolphin. She writes, "Dolphins are smart animals. They live in the ocean and swim fast." When they finish their homework, Hannah wants to borrow a book. She goes to the librarian and asks, "Can I borrow this book, please?" The librarian smiles and says, "Yes, of course. You need to return it in 2 weeks." Hannah goes home after the library. She is a little tired, but she is happy because she finished her homework. Her family is at the table, and dinner is ready. Tonight, they are eating pasta with vegetables. Her little brother tells a funny story, and everyone laughs. After dinner, Hannah washes the dishes. Then, she goes to her room to relax. She reads the book she borrowed from the library. It is about a girl who travels around the world. Hannah likes reading stories like this. At 10 p.m., Hannah is ready for bed. She changes into her pajamas, brushes her teeth, and lies in bed. She feels good about her day and thinks about tomorrow. "Maybe tomorrow will be even better," she says before falling asleep. Hannah's day shows how you can talk about your daily routine in simple English. You can use basic words to describe your day, just like Hannah. What does your day look like? Can you tell your story in English?